Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Ford Tourneo on a 24 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. The rear doors open by way of sliding, which I'll show you in just a moment. First of all, we're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, loads of boot space, as you can see, and that is with 7 seats currently in place as well. You can, of course, lower, fold and remove seats to give you even more space should you require it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you can see, we have that sliding door I mentioned a moment ago, and also now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see, firstly at the bottom there, the total miles. They are 2,439. Currently, above that, we have our stereo information being displayed. Various menus available to you. You can see me cycling through those now. And any menu you want to enter, you can do, and then within that menu you have lots of different bits of information. So for example, as you can see there, a digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are over here. We have our stereo controls, we have voice activation for our phone, and over on the left hand side the stereo controls continue, along with cruise control as well. Just behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles, so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the centre next, we have the main touch screen for the car. So we are on the main menu, or main menus. You can have whichever one of these displayed you wish to. Ultimately, the information available on them is the same no matter which screen you have displayed. But you can access anything you want to, including, obviously, as you can see there, your satellite navigation, your audio menu. The volume, incidentally, is just here for down and up. Within the audio menu, you can open up your AM or your FM DAB radio. You can change to media from here, where you'll then be able to listen to your music via Bluetooth audio, so you can stream it wirelessly. You can also save your own music into the car and make your own playlists that way, should you wish to as well. You can, of course, pair up your telephone in order that you make and receive phone calls and use the Bluetooth audio as well. And then over at this end, we have a full settings menu as well. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we have a visual guide for the front and rear sensors available. You can exit out of that whenever you wish to. You'll also see along here where we have the volume, we have the ability to be able to increase and decrease the temperatures, so you can see just there. You can also control your heated seat for the passenger and driver, but we have a separate button down here for that menu. So if I press this button, we are now in our air conditioning, our climate control menu, where you can increase and decrease the fan speed, turn your air conditioning on and off, recirculate the air in the car, determine the direction the air is being distributed in, and then you can exit back out of that. We also have buttons down here for your parking sensors. You can turn those on and off. We've got a heated rear screen, heated front screen, plenty of storage below that, 2 USB-C inputs, and a further socket just here, which is a 12-volt charging socket. This button will start and stop the engine itself. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. So we're in park at the moment, as you can see. And then you have drive, neutral, reverse. Press that button again to put it into park. We have 2 cup holders and an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.